Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with William, where today we're going to be making homemade chili oil. I love chili oil. It's a great addition to fried rice, dumplings, or directly on top of a fried egg. There are literally countless of ways you can make this, and to be honest, I do it differently every time, but I'll show you the one way I like to do it that results in some fun extra little side effects. To start, we need a bunch of shallots, and I mean a bunch. You can use however many that you want, but the more you use, the more you end up with, and the stronger flavored the oil is going to be. Start by peeling all of your shallots. I find the easiest way to do this is to cut them in half first. It gives you a spot to grab the papery outside bits. While you're peeling, check for small, rough spots like this. If you see these, you can try to cut them out or just peel off one extra layer of the shallot to get rid of it. Once you have peeled the shallots, it's time to slice them. You want to use your sharpest knife for this unless you want to be crying all night long. Try to slice them equally, as this will help them cook evenly and not burn. These are going to provide a lot of great flavor and also leave you with some crispy fried shallots that act as a great topping in their own right. Add your sliced shallots to a wok or any deep pan and pour in enough neutral oil to cover them. We start with them off the heat to make sure that they have time to cook evenly and thoroughly before they burn. Now once the shallots and oil are in the pan, set the heat to around medium and start stirring continuously. Keep cooking them until they get light brown. They will not get crispy until they get out of the oil and cool down a little bit, so do not try to wait for them to crisp up before taking them out, they will burn. Once they come out of the oil, instantly season them with salt, MSG, and sugar. Now you have some delicious crispy fried shallots that can go on almost anything, as well as some oil that has been infused with shallot flavor. Now time to make the chili oil. We're going to add a bit more flavor. To the wok, add in some cardamom seeds, bay leaves, nutmeg, cloves, and garlic. This is a great place to experiment, adding whatever spices and aromatics you might want. Some other great options would be lemongrass, cinnamon, or some various other varieties of dried chilies. To those spices, add in about a cup of your strained shallot oil. Heat up the oil until the garlic begins to brown and all of the aromatics become, well, aromatic. At this point, strain the oil into a heat-proof bowl with a cup of coarse chili flakes and that same salt, MSG, and sugar mixture you season the shallots with. This will sizzle quite a bit, so make sure not to pour too fast. The type of chili flakes you use depends on your personal preference. Traditionally, it's Korean chili flakes, but really you can use anything that you want. Once that is cooled, you can optionally stir in some sesame oil and add enough shallot oil to get the consistency that you want. Now you have your chili oil, keep it in the fridge and it will last at least a few weeks. You can add both your chili oil and your shallots to almost anything. Today I use it just to spruce up some fried rice and an egg. But my favorite use is definitely on pot stickers. Thank you for watching this week's episode of Cooking with William. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what I should make next time. I'll see you then.